Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You begin by picking a format that you will actually use: paper for tactile recall or a digital app for searchability. Once done, create 3 concise fields: tasks, outcomes, and next actions, and label them clearly so entries stay uniform. Make sure to commit to a quick 5-minute morning review to orient your day and a 10-minute evening log to capture learnings. This habit sets the rhythm and turns notes into actionable data. You now execute the core workflow. Log entries in time block segments so context stays clear. For example, 0900 product call 1330 vendor quote. Explain why each entry matters by recording decisions, key numbers, stakeholders, and required follow-ups. This saves rework. Once an action appears, link it to a calendar event, email, or receipt so traceability is instant. If you batch review weekly, you finish cycles with a weekly close. Highlight wins, blockers, and choose 3 priorities for the coming week so momentum continues. Make sure to archive completed items and tag recurring issues to expose root causes. This converts anecdotes into process improvements. If entries go missing, troubleshoot by simplifying fields, adding a single daily alarm, and pairing diary time with a ritual, coffee, or commute to rebuild consistency. When you follow this, the diary becomes an operational backbone for decisions and growth.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.